Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Colors name: black color, brown color, sky blue color, red color, dark blue color, pink color, neon color or orange color. Let's start. Yellow color, yellow color. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Black color. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for carrot. C for carrot. C for cap. C for cap. D for doll. D for doll. D for dog. D for dog. Green color. E for egg. E for egg. E for ear. E for ear. F for frog. F for frog. F for fish. F for fish. G for girl. G for girl. G for goat. G for goat. H for hand. H for hand. H for house. H for house. Orange color. I for eyes. I for eyes. I for inkpot. I for inkpot. J for joker. J for joker. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. K for kite. K for king. K for king. L for lemon. L for lemon. L for lion. L for lion. So what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video. Till then, bye.